This is going to be a really simple lesson. We're going to start by drawing a rainbow line right in the middle of our paper. Okay, so we're going to start here. We're going to go over and down. And I'm going to go a little bit lower on both sides. There we go. Just like that.
Okay. Peaceful ambient meditation soundscape.
Okay, now we're going to draw the bottom of our ice cream scoop.
With soft ethereal paths, gentle wind chimes, light water droplets echo, subtle forest night.
Okay, so now we're going to draw the
Ambient.
color. We're going to draw a line that comes down, and we're going to make a V shape. And then we'll take it on the back, Yes, you did it. We're done. We're going to add a fun face.
Slow atmospheric sync, 60 BPM calm tempo, cinematic river, no vocal, relaxing and dreamy mood, suitable for meditation and nature visuals.
Should we make our ice cream happy? Alright, let's draw a smile. Right in between the eyes. We did it, Heidi. Okay, now let's put our markers off to the side and change the nose. Yes, let's color our ice cream cones. And this part we're gonna fast forward. Alright, let's do it.
Paint silence like refrains I can define.
What was your favorite part?
It tells me like the lady heart, soft and dies like
It's okay that our drawings look a little different, right?
Yeah.